Hey everyone, in this video we'll see how to quickly rearrange the Solidworks assembly tree. So I have opened this sample tree just to give you an example. As you can see, my parts are in not proper order. I want all the identical parts in one place. So how to do that? We'll see that. First, take one component from each group. For example, I want part 1 at first, say part 3 at second, and part 2 at third. Okay, so this is my tree order, and all the remaining parts will be grouped as per this group. So how to do that? Just right click, tree display, go to group component instances. So now all the parts have been grouped. Now right click, tree display, and you can ungroup this. As you can see, all my part 1 is at the top, part 3 is at the middle, part 2 is at the last. So this is how you can quickly rearrange the Solidworks assembly tree. Thank you. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you.